Hey crew, okay, so here's, I don't know. You can see it's right there, kinda. Just a lot of iron around it. $12.45, kinda. It's a wreck, but let's see. I just marked the spot in the middle there. All right, I think it's an iron spike, just based on what it was doing, but. Well, there's something down there. I think that's iron though. It's not even close to where the signal was. It's a big hunk of junk, I think. Yep. It's just a big mess. Something. Just a penny. Hey crew, okay. I always say the high number is what I like. Kind of all over the place here. 43. It had hit 44 before, so let's see where we are up here. This one actually has a chance to be silver at 44. I'll move that away. It's pretty deep, so hoping it's not a penny. Not that deep. There you go. See that? Bingo. It's not very deep at all. And that was only, what's that? 3, 4? I think this is is this a sailboat? Oh, this one just made it. It's a 66 probably. Can't even see it. 19. Let's see. Was that 57? Oh no, 19. 68 maybe? 68, that's silver as they come. Just made it. Whew. There's the queen. So just squeaked in with a silver. Wow. Yeah, that's a 68. So I remember from one of the other videos I'd said that 50% of the 68 coins are zinc or nickel, sorry, and the other half are silver. So this is a 50% silver coin, I believe. I'll take it. See you on the next one. It's getting windier and colder. So here's the target. It's at 1240 at 6 inches. There's definitely something there, but now it's 11:37 at 7. So I mean, it's just, I think there's iron right in the hole with it, so it's just fragmented. You know, that's the stuff you gotta listen for, though, is that there's a sweet tone in there, but it's basically obscured by, good lord, just mud. There's the problem, you got no grass. Alright. It's right there. Oh. Look at that. That's an old one. That is rubbed raw, that. Oh, Queen Victoria. Looks like. We're not getting a date off of you, are we? I might be able to coax one out of there on the computer. It's a bit of detail. There's a date. It's a Queen Victoria dime. The date's right there. There's the crown. There's the bottom. So the date's right there. So if I don't mess around with it too much, I should be able to get a date. I'll clean it up, let's hope. I mean, that's an old coin. Queen Victoria is from 1901 and earlier. So, I don't know. I'll try to get you a date. But you see what I mean with those obscure signals? Where they barely ring in, but, you know, and that coin was right flat on edge. It was like this in the hole. So, you know, that's the stuff you just have to listen for. I'm shivering. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get another one. Hey crew, okay. Got, this is awesome. You can see it. There's a lot of crap in the field, but look for the high number, 45, 46. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, I hope this is silver. Give her a bit of, it's nice and deep, it's nice and high. Alright, I'm gonna get this whole thing out in one shot. Okay. Almost sure that this is silver. almost sure. I'm hoping. This is silver. I'm gonna finish this hunt another day. There you go. Good grief. This is one that's gonna have to get cleaned up for sure. That is a real old quarter. Might be Victorian. Good grief. Not even gonna guess. That thing's reeded on the edges. Look at the details sitting on that. Oh, baby. Can't decide now if I'm shaking because I'm cold or because I'm really excited. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm just gonna leave it. I'll post it. It looks to me, if you look right up here, no, that's not Victorian. At end, so that's yeah, there's the king. You can see the king's an old quarter. It's so tempting, you just want to rub it, right? But I won't. So I'll post a pic of it once it's cleaned up. See you again.